Coming to branch calculation as per ASME B 31.3, capital DH is the OD of header pipe, capital DB is the OD of branch pipe. Capital TH is nominal thickness of header into 0.875 considering minus 12.5% negative manufacturing tolerance. Capital TB is nominal thickness of branch into 0.875. Small th equals to minimum header pressure design thickness. That means PDH divided by 2AC plus 2PY. P is the internal design pressure, DH equals to OD of header pipe, and S is allowable stress. E is joint efficiency, that means 1 for seamless pipe and 0.85 for ERW pipe. Small tb is minimum branch pressure design thickness equals to PdB divided by 2AC plus 2PY. Small tc equals to lesser of 0.7 tb or 6 millimeter. Small d1 is effective length removed from pipe at branch. Small d2 is half width of reinforcement zone equals to d1 or capital TB minus C plus capital TH minus C plus small d1 divided by 2, whichever is greater but not more than capital DH. Capital DH is OD of header and capital DB is OD of branch. C is corrosion allowance, say 1.5 millimeter. Capital A1 equals to required reinforcement area equals to small th into d1 into 2 minus sin beta. Capital A2 is area resulting from excess thickness in run pipe equals to 2 small d2 minus small d1 into capital TH minus small th minus C. Capital A3 is area resulting from excess thickness in branch pipe equals to 2 capital L4 into capital TB minus small tb minus C divided by sin beta. Capital L4 is height of reinforcement zone outside run pipe equals to 2.5 into capital TH minus C or 2.5 into capital TB minus C plus TR, whichever is less. Capital TR is reinforcement thickness, that means thickness of header pipe. If capital A1 is less than equals to capital A2 plus capital A3, then branch reinforcement is not required. That means RF pad is not required, direct branching can be done. If capital A1 is more than capital A2 plus capital A3, then branch reinforcement is required and capital A1 should be less than equals to capital A2 plus capital A3 plus capital A4, where capital A4 equals to RF pad thickness TR into OD of RF pad minus OD of branch pipe. This branch calculation is applicable both for stub in or stub on branching. First, we have to check requirement of RF pad from internal pressure, then from stress point of view. It may happen that from internal pressure RF pad is not required, but from pipe stress point of view RF pad is required. This is an unreinforced equal size direct branching for a low pressure cooling water line. This is a reinforced branching with RF pad for a high pressure compressed gas line.